Here I am picking things up from the segment we left behind of how to earn money online. And today I, Shubham Mishra, will talk about some ways through which you can earn money from a platform we call Quora. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let me first clear you about the fact that we do not earn money by answering questions. We get money by giving them the questions. Spending 8 to 10 hours while answering questions and waiting for the long tenure is not the right solution for it. Most of the people think that answering questions will lead to earn money. Let me tell you some points about it. First, get the Quora Partnership Program. Quora Partnership Program is not something that you apply to. When you spend time on your content, that is the quality and the time and the views, then only you can enroll yourself into the partnership program. Only if you receive an invite by the team of Quora. In this, you earn money by questioning and not by answering the questions. So it means the more the number of questions you provide will earn more money. However, this has now been used by people to spam the Quora account. There are many accounts that are earning millions by just giving them the questions. Moving to our second point, you can earn money by getting projects from Quora. You can easily target your clients via this platform, try to deliver the right content to your relevant audience, and it may generate a lead. Third key point, earn with knowledge prizes. Company or individual sponsor questions that they seek answer to hundreds or thousands of dollars in prize to whomever they decide the best answer is. Now the fourth key point, drive traffic to your blog. You need to come up with the right strategies and high quality content so the readers get excited to click on your link, and it results to gathering huge traffic to your website. Fifth key point, affiliate marketing associate. Suppose if you answer a question that is related to web hosting, then you can provide an affiliate marketing link with the relevant titles such as you can buy the XYZ domain website hosting from here. Sixth key point, selling stuff and services. You can use Quora as a platform to sell your services and freelancing work at which you are good at. The most important thing is to write high quality answers to get more upvote and mentions. In terms of high quality content, most people do not know how to answer the question correctly, or they do not know the right pattern for it. Here I give some key points to write your next answers in a correct format. Be real while writing the answers and don't be hypothetical. Try to give a relevant answer to your question. Use images to make your content more interesting. Crisp and to the point answers are much appreciable on the platform of Quora. And the best way to write a quality content answer is to share your knowledge and experiences about what you have imagined or what you have experienced in the right time. These were some tips to earn money on Quora. See you all soon with some interesting topic next time. Do tell us your views about the video, and if you know any other way to earn money from Quora, then do let us know in our comment section below. Like, subscribe and share the video.